Cocaine? Who's giving you the cocaine? Which doctor is that?
Alrighty, let's go down to Texas, see what's going on now with Judge Stevens.
What are we doing today? What are we doing? Anybody?
I'll defer
It says-
to the state.
It says MTRP status,
Yes,
and
Judge.
first amended to be filed.
Yes, Judge. The First Amendment was
It
filed.
was filed
Mhm.
on March 7th, so that
Correct.
was a few days ago.
Correct.
Does anybody, y'all have copies of that? No? Mr. Brooks, it looks like they've added, you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of such. You provided a urine sample on December 10th, 2025 that showed cocaine in your system. And you failed to attend Batter's Intervention Prevention Program BIP. Those are 3 added to the previous 5 allegations. All right, when are we going to hear this? 1 week? Y'all ready?
Judge, after speaking to probation, and I, and as well as defense, have come to a possible resolution of this matter. The biggest issue is if the defendant can test negative, and the state would request for him to be tested if possible today.
It was dated January 6th.
That was January, but
But he has a subsequent. He informs me that he'll be negative for all substances this morning. He is under the care of spinal tap, you know, it makes you
He
more.
tested positive in December. Come on. For cocaine of all things. He's been on probation since 21 for 10 years. And what the heck are you getting? What are we doing getting a positive hit for cocaine?
He self-medicates, Your Honor. Again, he's a mental health patient.
He's making the cocaine?
I'm trying to explain to the court what's.
No, where does he get the cocaine that's in his
We
system?
didn't get to it, Your Honor.
Yes, it always is.
I've instructed him not to answer that since that would be broadcast and he answers it.
Okay.
It may impede its safety.
Okay, you can tell him that.
If we would go off of
but
that too, I'd be telling.
You don't direct this court about anything, sir.
If he-
Don't interrupt.
It would
this.
endanger his safety
Sir,
if he
just-
answered.
sir, don't interrupt when I speak, please. She can't put that down when you interrupt. Thank you. Just don't interrupt me, please. Thank you.
I'll advise.
Okay, you advise him what you need to do.
We'll go off
Don't
of you
dictate-
two, we'll answer that question.
All right,
Okay.
y'all sit over there, please. We'll get back to you in a minute.
I have to be part of the game.
I know.
Judge Thomas. I'm
In
ready.
the court.
Yeah, you know.
Give me one. What are we gonna do today? What do we plan to do? On
Judge, probation has agreed to continue him on probation if he can test negative. He's just.
I know,
just-
but yeah, but how does he purge the positive?
Right.
I mean, you can't undo that.
Understood.
Yeah, and you open the door for one, that's it. It's fair for everybody. Everybody tests positive, then they get free ones.
He isn't everybody. He has mental health.
I'm sorry. It's what's good for him is good for everybody in similar circumstances. That's my understanding of the rules since birth. It's what's fair. That's my job.
Well,
Is to ensure it's fair, and yours is not to interrupt, please. Let me complete my thought. No, I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna set this though for a hearing in 2 weeks.
So he doesn't need to be tested then?
No, that doesn't undo what happened before. If the test is a valid test, it's 2 weeks. Get a reset in 2 weeks,
Thank you, Judge.
but he been tested regularly?
Not regularly.
That needs to be done until we can get this hearing. Okay. I have Kendrick Antoine.
Morning, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, this is one that Mr. Boyd had before he left. I've been speaking with Ms. Porter about it. However, she was in trial this week. I think that we have things to talk about, so if we could just have a short reset on it.
Where is Mr. Anderson?
He's in custody.
Okay, he's in custody. How much time?
2 or 3 weeks.
Just 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
That's fine, Judge.
Good, thank you. Reset those two. Mhm. Gary Paul,
He's in custody, Judge.
what do we do today?
He's gonna voluntarily plead true to his
Gary Fall?
violations. And then go to you for a decision.
On this, let me ask on this thing that was given to him, Frank? Yes, sir. Who's, does the defense have that? Yes. Okay. Can you make a copy of that?
Oh, it's a copy. That's your copy.
Okay, thanks.
I gave him a copy.
That's all, that's for Willie's, that goes in the Willie file. That's a copy for us, so we're okay. I just need to put it
You have the
aside.
file still, I think. You still have one file, you still have,
I got. Nice.
you want these copies too? That I gave you?
Everything, I'm gonna put it together, so. Yeah. So that's- Thank you. Gary Falk, that's you, sir? 23 CR 1750 is called. And there is a motion to revoke probation that was filed October 2nd of last year. You were here with Ms. Nowdy, your attorney and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this motion to revoke probation? Can we proceed in sums? Raise your right hand, sir. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Lower your hand. In summary, this motion states that on May 16th of 2024, in this court, you were sentenced to 18 months in the state jail. That was suspended for 5 years for evading arrest or detention, a state jail felony. But let's see, there must be prior convictions. Okay. State jail felony, it's punished as a third-degree felony, correct?
No, sir.
No.
This is state jail.
He was
This
given
is
18 months.
previous convictions makes it a felony. So he was
Okay.
running on foot. He wasn't with car. So
No, okay, because it's got a true on the priors. There was.
because he was sentenced to 18 months, so they sentenced it as state jail.
3, 4 priors. So we didn't go on those third degrees.
No,
It's
sir.
just,
Enhance it to make it a state jail felony. Should
could
be.
have been though,
It could have been.
Could have been.
That's correct, but
Yes,
it's not.
could have been. Up to up to 20 years in prison as a potential. We, there's a lot of leniency given here. All right, so is all of that true so far? You were sentenced to 18 months in the state jail and that was suspended for 5 years on May 16th, 24. Correct? All right. Allegation 1 states you failed to report to the probation office for May 5th, June 9th, July 10th, July 17th, July 30th, all 2025. Is all of that true?
Yes, sir.
And was he an absconder?
Yes, sir.
How long?
He was gone until he turned himself in.
Which was when?
December.
Okay, so from May to December, you never reported to the probation office, right?
Yes, sir.
May of 2025.
May 5th of 2025 to
December
through December.
He did come in June 23rd and met with me, and then he was gone after that. He came in after I called him, and he did come in that one day, and after that, he was gone. So there was a June 23rd.
You gotta report or you're not on probation.
I couldn't make it to the appointment. I came in and told my PO she wanted to change my location, but I was in Beaumont and had to come to Port Orton.
Okay,
Yes, sir. And I let my PO know that I didn't have no reliable transportation.
we gotta figure it out.
Yeah, I was in the process of moving, so I turned myself in,
When?
uh, December.
6 months later.
So
What happened in those 6 months?
Wait, I was in Beaumont.
half a year.
I was in Beaumont. And
You were on your own probation.
when I was home. I
You got to figure it out, sir. If you're either on probation or not, but we accommodate people when they know. The probation office is very accommodating. We have a great success record. You're 1 out of 14 who fail. You're 1 out of 14. 13 out of 14 are successful. That's a great record. Allegation 3 states you provided a urine sample on April 14th of last year, which showed the presence of tetrahydrocannabinol, marijuana, and cocaine. Is that true?
yes, sir.
Can you explain that?
I was drug judge, and I take medication.
Cocaine? Who's giving you the cocaine? Which doctor is that?
And health medication.
Well, you know that's wrong. You know it's illegal. And
So,
all right, are you pleading through then allegations 1 and 3 voluntarily and because those allegations are true?
yes, sir.
Do you understand that a plea of true, voluntarily and knowingly made plea of true to 1 or more violations of probation, that is enough to grant a motion to revoke probation? Your probation can be revoked and you can be sentenced to no less than 180 days up to 18 months
Yes, sir.
in the state jail. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
Yes, sir.
I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. Do you have a calculation of this? What time you last cried? How much time have you served in this case? Do you know?
December 28th.
No, before that. When you were arrested and waiting,
Yes, sir.
being put on probation, were you in jail a while?
Yeah, like a month.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. I'm looking at the pre-sentence report where.
That's why I give it to you.
Yeah.
Oh, 3 full pages,
Don't look at me like that, Judge.
huh?
Don't look at me like that.
Criminal history dates back to 1988, so that's 38 years.
28, 1998.
Today's 26, 88, 12 plus 26 is,
I thought you said 98,
I'm gonna give you,
because you were aging.
would you like
me.
an abacus to
No, but if it was 98, then you were aging me 10
88.
years, and that's not,
88
okay.
to
88.
26, which is 38. And that's you have to look at the whole book here, not just a few chapters. You have as a juvenile, there were 30 some odd dispositions. Most of these were runaways and other things. Yes. Your home life must not have been a solid one, huh? No. And then we start with adulthood, and you've got how many convictions of misdemeanors and felonies do you have as an adult? I see 2 misdemeanors of evading detention and assault of bodily injury of a family member when as misdemeanors, but what about felonies? Because there were several, more than one case where you were placed on probation and then your probation was revoked and you were convicted. And then later on, subsequent to that, there are some robbery convictions, aggravated robbery convictions. So how many felonies do you have?
Maybe like 0, 4 or 5.
They're 5. Okay. So we place you on probation here for evading arrest or detention. And he's pleaded true. There's no agreement here, right?
No, Judge,
Okay.
for 18 months, which is the most that he could get.
Cap of 18 months.
Um,
Well, that was.
That's what he
when
could
was
get,
put on
yeah.
probation originally, right?
right.
So you're looking at no less than 180 days up to 18 months in the state jail. State, you want to go first and last?
Judge, I would ask for 18 months. Speaking with probation, it's either the 18 months or they're willing to still work with him if he's willing to go to Safe P. If there's a problem there and he could go and complete Safe P and come back and be on probation.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
And that's what I have spoken to Mr. Falk about, and he is interested in taking advantage of that safe P option.
No,
and
I'm
cleared.
talking about interest. I mean, would you do it?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
willing to do it. He's motivated to do it.
Yeah. Is that
Yes, sir.
the nice lady speaking for you? But I want to hear from you. Is that what you want? It helps. It helps people.
Yes,
but-
sir. I go to program.
But you've got some problems here for a long time that you haven't resolved. And this could help. But you've got to put in an effort. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so. I'm going to find that there is sufficient evidence supporting this motion to grant it by a preponderance of the evidence or greater as allegations 1 and 3 are proven true. I'm going to hold this motion, I think, in abeyance is the way to do this. We are going to modify a term and condition of probation to require you to attend and successfully complete the substance abuse felony punishment facility program. Do you understand where we are on this? You gotta, those, you gotta do the heavy lifting. You gotta avoid the drugs. But it's obvious your home life was a wreck growing up. I mean, it's obvious. I've seldom have I ever seen a child with that many dispositions, and it must have been a difficult family household, I presume. So, but you're an adult. You got to handle your responsibilities, fix this so that you can move on the best you can. Are you promising to do your best?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. All right. We'll continue on your probation and complete that substance abuse program. All right, and do well. Thank you.
Thank you,
Vicky
John.
Holloman. Vicky Holloman.
Hey, thanks for watching this clip from TCF Live. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can join us weekdays live, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific, right here on this channel.